Well, I'm back out on the airfield lake. Good behaviour, I must admit. Homeschooling's all sorted. Wife's extremely happy with how things are going. So I'm out Thursday night, which is a complete and utter shock for me. Didn't think it would be. But a little view through there. All nicely tucked away, hidden behind the grasses and everything around here. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a bit bright and sunny at the moment. At the moment I've got 2 rods in the same area. I will change as the weekend goes. I think I'm just going to sort of work out where the best place and where the best feature is. It's been several years since I've fished this lake, so I'm all tucked up nicely in here. It's all looking good. I'm actually doing a social this weekend. My friend Ian, he's sort of behind me, fishing the other lake over there, setting up, and we'll see how it goes really. There's a bit of a dodgy snag down there, so I've got wellies and everything just in case I need it. At the moment both rods are out there, an area I've done quite well from in the past, so we'll just have to see how things go, how it produces. Sort of might adjust them a little bit, see how we go. But yeah, all set up. A nice southwesterly wind blowing, a bit of rain forecast, so you just never know, do you? Only but hope. Fingers crossed. Anyway, I shall catch up with you soon, Tugs. There we go. There we go. First one of the weekend. Catalyst. Nice little pink pop up over the top. This time over a heavily baited area of the classic corn. So just over 21 pound, I think it is. That would be a good start. Do me. Quite happy about that.
Rubbish.
Get welly full, hey? Do you turn it? Yeah, go on. Well, it's Saturday morning now. The rain arrived on Friday, 4 o'clock-ish, and it, wow, belted down and blew an absolute hoolie. So a few hours ago, it was nice to get a bit of sleep, I must admit, because it was blowing straight across here into my face, which I knew it would. I knew it wasn't going to be a bit unpleasant, but it's unpleasant for a few hours it was going to be, and then it's going to be okay for the rest of today, and first thing tomorrow morning. Same thing as yesterday. It was fine all day yesterday until the latter part of the day, so it was bearable. A little bit tired, but I'll have a carp nap this afternoon, no doubt. See how we get on, really. No fish over the night in that rain, which I didn't expect. It's about 6 o'clock now, so hopefully it's witching out for the next sort of 3 or 4 hours, and might produce myself a fish. Just have to see. I have heard one crash recently, so they're starting to wake up from the weather. We'll see how we go, really. So conditions for today are going to be absolutely perfect, I must admit. So we shall see how we get on, really. It's looking very promising. There we are. 57 pound common carp. What a lovely. So I'm trying to I don't want your wheelbarrow in the way.
And I'll look at it. Lovely.
Yeah, try and lift it up a bit more if you can.
Lovely.
Well done.
Look at that. Lovely.
Absolutely perfect.
Okay.
Yep, all done. Yeah. There we go. Second one on the tree. trip. Off on a little while ago. Probably the same sort of size really. Absolute belting take this time. The belting drop back. Bless it. Ah, yeah. There you go. Beautiful. Well, bivvy's down. Bit of pile of stuff to sort out. Rods left to go. Everything on the barrow just there. Ian's slowly starting to pack up behind me. Yeah, had one lost one the night as you can see. And yeah, this is looking good really. I thought I'd have one later on this morning really. It's just sort of coming up to 9 o'clock now, but I haven't had one because they were still showing and crashing. But hey, bless them. Not to be. And I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Cracking social this weekend. A few glasses, good bit to eat. Enjoyed myself. Got a few fish. Place has been pretty empty and quiet. Can ask for much more really. Right then, it's time to rock and roll, get home. Have some fun with the family this afternoon. Catch up with you soon folks. Good luck if you're out there.